Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning the model thoroughly. Remove oils with soap and a cotton swab, then dry completely. Once done, decant a small amount of enamel into a glass jar and thin 10 to 20% test on a spare sprue to check flow. Make sure to set up good ventilation and personal protection. Fumes matter. Now load a size 0 brush or 0.5 mm airbrush needle. Start with a light first pass to establish adhesion and avoid pooling at edges. You proceed by applying thin, controlled coats so enamel levels and self-flattens. Heavy coats trap solvent and cause runs. For brushwork, use smooth single-direction strokes and a loaded, but not dripping, brush. For airbrush, set 15 to 20 psi with a 0.5 mm tip and apply 2 to 3 misting passes, allowing tack time between passes. Make sure to let solvent evaporate, waiting 24 hours between distinct color layers. You finish by sealing with a gloss enamel coat before decals. Gloss helps decals sit flat and reduces silvering. Once decals are set and dry, apply your final sheen, matte, satin, or gloss after at least 48 to 72 hours of cure. Make sure to use enamel-compatible varnishes. If you see bloom, sweating, or soft spots, resist the urge to sand immediately. Let the piece cure for 1 to 2 weeks, then test with a thin recoat or a gentle solvent touch-up to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.